Hi everyone, I'm going to give you a quick tricep workout tonight if you have a Pilates reformer. So if you want to work your triceps, back of upper arms, join me and let's get started. You need a Pilates reformer though. Let's start off on all fours, quadruped position on a single blue spring. Let's begin. You could bring your foot bar down. Kneel with your knees towards the back edge of your reformer where the springs are. Place your palms against your shoulder rest. Place palm in your handle. And I want you to bring your elbow really close to your rib cage. Press and then come back in. Press, come back in. So if you just finished your day teaching Pilates, you want to do a quick tricep, here you go. 5, 4, tighten quarter low back, 3, 2 more, and last one. Place strap on holder, switch arms. So now you're just going to place your palm, thumb up grip, palm face in, 9, tighten quarter low back, your shoulders are away from ears, 8, and 7, and 6, 5 more, 4 more. Control each direction, 3, 2 more, and last one, excellent. Now we're going to switch one last time, straight arm, maybe even have a red spring. 8, 7, 6, and 5. Keep drawing core tight to your spine. 4 more. Shoulder blades anchor down back. 2 more. And last one. Excellent. We're going to hang up that strap and go to the other side. Press palm away. If that hurts your wrist, maybe spread fingers wide apart. Place palm flat on mat. And then you're going to pull straight back, palm down into your handle. Core keeps pulling deeply into the spine, zipping up. Tighten in. 7 more. And 6, spine is long, neutral. 5 more. And 4. 3. 2 more. Good, last one. Land your carriage gently. All right, next, what I want you to do, you're gonna go to a green spring. So we had blue, now try green. We're gonna sit with back of hips, pelvis against our shoulder rest, crisscross ankles, make sure back of pelvis is firm against your shoulder blocks. Go ahead, take your handles. We're going to take our thumbs, our index fingers together, directly over straps, go over the shoulders. Thumbs, index fingers are together. We're going to stop, and then right in front of our foreheads, we keep wrapping ribs. Breathe in, breathe out. Salute. Core scoops in deeply, so pelvis is secure. Sits bones reach into the mat. 5, 4, feel ribs wrap. 3, 2 more. Breathe in, breathe out. Now take your arms, shave back of head, extend and press. Scoop deeply into your center. So you're going to point elbows straight ahead, bend, press. Really feel the abdominal scooping in, ribs wrap, really sink down into those sits bones. 8, 7, and 6, really feel the core connection. 5, and 4, reach and stretch. 3 more. 2 more. And last one, excellent. Arms come around, we're gonna hang up our straps. Reach forward, we're gonna bring our foot bar up. Try it on the low bar and then lock it in. Mine doesn't have a lock. If yours has a lock, make sure the 2 safeties are on. We're going to take a red spring and a blue spring, add a spring and a half. Take off green, take off your heavy spring. So next, do a couple shoulder rolls. Shoulders come down away from ears. We never want to overload the front of the shoulder joint. We're going under the armpits into the serratus anterior, top of ribs. We want to get those muscles under the arm, under the shoulder blades, so our shoulder girdle stabilized too. I want you to take your hands, your palms are going to be super firm down on your shoulder blocks. And then you're going to really make sure shoulders are away from the ears. You float up, make sure shoulders are away from ears. And we're just going to do these little presses. Use your core, scoop in. 8 and 7. 6 more. And 5. Control at home. 4 more. I hit in a couple times. 3. 2 more. And last one. Wonderful. So once we do that, we're going to turn, face opposite direction, and then we're just going to plant our palms firm on our shoulder rests once again. And I'm not doing anything fancy with the legs tonight, like kicks or anything. Control front and back. I'm just going to have us plant our feet onto the foot bar. Ball of foot goes right on the bar. Make sure it's not just the toes, meaty portion under the toes. You anchor the shoulder blades into your back. You drop your hips in line with shoulders and do these little presses. Use your core. Abdominals connect. 8, 7, shoulders out of ears. 6, 5, use your core. 4, 3 more. Scooping your core deeply to the spine. 2, last one. Now you're going to land your carriage. We're going to slide off our red spring. Go ahead and keep it on a blue. Maybe you'll bring your foot bar down. Maybe you won't. Maybe you'll just let it be. I'm going to do another one for triceps, and we'll wrap it up with stretch. So you're going to kneel. If you need a little cushion or pad under the knee, go for it. I'm just going to switch this maybe a little higher up. I have another reformer that's higher, so I'll set it up. There we go. So now what I want you to do, we're going to open the sides of our waistline. So we're going to do spinal lateral flexion. You're going to bring your palm on your shoulder rest when you feel this whole side open up. And it's like you're going to take your hand, reach over your head like that. You're going to reach and grab your strap. And then I want you to feel your collarbones wide. Point your elbow to the sky. And do these overhead. I might have to adjust. Hold on. You can't see what I'm doing actually. Let's go a higher angle. This is wonderful to open up your sideline. Get your shoulder blades anchored deeply down the back. Shoulders down away from the ears. Now you can see a little bit better. Drop shoulders out of ears. Keep opening up your side. Keep chest open. 7 and 6. Feel ribs stretch apart. 5. Inhale, exhale. 4. Sometimes I'll do this with palm up. Sometimes I'll do it with palm down. I think I have 1 or 2 more left in me. Ooh, maybe 1 more. Phew. Okay, it's fatigued. All right, face opposite direction. So what you do, your tailbone drops, sides of waist lengthen, taking this palm down to your shoulder rest. We elevate, stretch rib cage off the hip. Slowly open that whole side, reach, grab your strap. Blades down your back, feel ribs open away from hips. Stretch and reach. Shoulder blades stay anchored to back pelvis. Inhale, exhale. And 6. Elbow to sky. 5 more. Really stretch ribs apart. 4 more. Get those intercostals to stretch. And 3. Reach and stretch. 2 more. Breathe in, breathe out. And last one, press. And gently land. Wonderful. And then I just want you to crisscross your ankles. Sit in a little easy pose. And now I want you to reach one arm straight down the center of your back. Press your elbow to the sky. Get that deep stretch in there. Inhale, exhale. You can even have your feet on the ground if you want. Inhale, exhale. One more. And then switch. Take palm straight down center of back. And then you just press against tricep, back of arm. It's like you're anchoring the shoulder blade down your back. Inhale, exhale. I'm going to take you into Gomukhasana arms, cow face arms, just to stretch your shoulders. So this is half of it. Inhale, exhale, gently release. Okay, so the other half, we're adding on. It would look like this. You would have your palm reach up the back like that, while the other one reaches down the back like that, and just hold it there. Because we want to get our rotator cuff too. So just going to hold it like that. Sit tall. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. We stabilize our shoulder girdle in Pilates, so I want to get into your shoulder girdle to stretch. Gently release, carefully. Ooh, shake out your arms for a second. That gets deep in there. So now this other palm is going to go straight up your back, like this. Straight up your back like that. And then this one goes straight down the back to greet it. Straight up, straight down, sit tall. 3 deep inhales and exhales. 2 more. And 1 more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. So you worked your shoulder girdle and your triceps, your upper body a little bit. Deep inhale here. Gently just bring hands to heart. So great way to do a fast upper body workout, tricep workout. Peace, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this. See you again soon. I'm going to try to go do some yoga and upload a video tonight. Peace, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.